What if I told you that while you were binge watching Netflix last night, someone else made $500 in their sleep? And the only thing they did was set up a system once and let it run on autopilot. Now, here's the scary part. If you don't learn how to make money while you sleep, you'll spend the rest of your life working for those who do. Think about it. While you're clocking in for another 9 to 5 shift, someone else is waking up to an extra deposit in their bank account. The question is, who do you want to be? In this video, I'm going to break down 5 powerful ways you can start making passive income today. Each one is realistic, scalable, and most importantly, something you can start right now, even if you have no experience. Stay with me until the end, because the last method is a game changer that only a few people know about. Quick question. Would you rather work 40 hours a week for 40 years? Or work hard for a year and make money forever? Exactly. Let's go. 1. Sell digital products. Imagine waking up, checking your phone, and seeing that someone just bought a product you created weeks or even months ago. That's the power of digital products. Platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, and Teachable let you sell ebooks, templates, courses, or even stock photos. The best part? No inventory, no shipping, just pure profit. But wait, I'm not an expert. Listen, you don't have to be a guru. If you've ever solved a problem, you can turn that solution into a digital product. People are out there right now searching for answers you already know. 2. Affiliate marketing. Okay, let's talk about getting paid for recommending stuff. You probably already do this for free, telling your friends about an amazing app or a life-changing book. But what if you got paid every time someone took your advice? That's affiliate marketing. Websites like Amazon, ShareASale, and Impact let you earn commissions by promoting products or services you believe in. No product creation, no customer service, just passive commissions. And here's the crazy part. Some affiliate programs pay recurring commissions, meaning you make money every single month from one referral. But before you start signing up, let's talk about an even bigger moneymaker. 3. YouTube automation. What if you could run a YouTube channel without ever showing your face? Welcome to Faceless YouTube Automation. This is where you create valuable videos using stock footage, AI voiceovers, and a simple script, just like this one. Once a video is posted, it can generate ad revenue, affiliate commissions, and sponsorships for years to come. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, guess what? The biggest channels, making 6 figures per month, are faceless. This strategy works, and if you commit, it can change your life. But what if you don't want to deal with content at all? No problem. This next method lets your money work for you instead. 4th, dividend investing. Let's talk about true passive income. Dividends. This is where you buy stocks in companies that pay you just for owning their shares. Imagine this. You invest in a company like Coca-Cola. They make billions in profit and give you a cut every quarter just for being a shareholder. That means the more you invest, the more you get paid. Forever. But I don't have thousands to invest. That's fine. You can start with as little as $10 using fractional shares. And over time, that can grow into a serious money-making machine. Now, what if you could make money from something you only do once, but it keeps paying you for decades? That's where we get into the most underrated passive income stream of all. 5. Writing a book, yes. Writing a book. And no, I'm not talking about becoming the next J.K. Rowling. With self-publishing on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, you can write a short book, even just 50 pages, on a topic people are searching for. Once it's uploaded, it sells automatically, and you keep earning royalties for years. But I'm not a writer. Neither are most best-selling authors. You can hire a ghostwriter, use AI writing tools, or just outline what you know in a simple, easy-to-read format. The key is to start now, because every day you wait, someone else is making money from an idea you had first. So here's the deal. The world is changing. The rich get richer not because they work harder, but because they work smarter. The question is, which path will you take? Will you keep trading your time for money? Or will you take action today and build income streams that pay you forever? But before you go, drop a comment below. Which passive income idea are you starting with? The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time, right now.